Hello, my fellow Nigerians. He said how Tinubu wanted to save the lawmakers, Lagos lawmaker during Christmas top APC chieftain speaks. You see, this is what we are saying. That we should be careful on what we do and what we say. Faudoki revealed that President Tinubu tried to mediate the Lagos State Assembly crisis over Christmas time. Oki explained that the leadership crisis has been simmering for some time and was escalated by OBASA's failure to heed party elders' advice. With OBASA's impeachment and Mojisola's Merenda's appointment as new speaker, Oki expressed hope for stability in the assembly. A prominent chieftain of the APC, Faudoki, has revealed that President Bola Tinubu made attempts to intervene in the Lagos State House of Assembly leadership crisis, which led to the impeachment of Speaker Mudashiru Obasa. In a recent interview on Channels TV, Oki disclosed that Tinubu's efforts to mediate during the Christmas holiday were thwarted by Obasa's defiant stance, ultimately leading to the lawmaker's removal. He was replaced by his former deputy, Mojisola Merenda. Oki clarified that the leadership crisis had been smearing for some time before it came to a head during the holiday season. He revealed that the Governor's Advisory Council, which serves as an influential body in Lagos state politics, drew the president's attention to the matter when he was in Lagos, Vanguard reported. According to Oki, Tinubu, acting in his capacity as both president and party leader, called a meeting in a bid to resolve the tensions within the assembly, leadership reported. He said, before the president came home, this issue had been lingering in the wisdom of members of the GAC. The president's attention was called. The APC chieftain further emphasized that Tinubu tried to engage with the warring factions and offered a platform for resolution. The president, as father and leader, called a meeting wherein he tried to make a sense of the observations raised by the elders of the party. Unfortunately, the president saw by himself recalcitrant Obasa. I think that is what broke the camel's back, Oki said. Oki stressed that the decision to impeach Obasa was not a decision made lightly, but was the result of long-standing tensions and the speaker's disregard for the advice of party leaders. He explained that despite repeated efforts to resolve the issue amicably, Obasa's action led to his downfall. The APC chieftain pointed out that while the decision to impeach Obasa was difficult, it was necessary for the stability of the state assembly and the party. It was a combination of unresolved tensions and Obasa's failure to heed the advice of the party elders. With the removal of Obasa and the appointment of Merenda as the new speaker, Oki expressed hope that the leadership change would bring stability to Lagos State House of Assembly. He noted that the move was essential to ensure that the assembly functions smoothly and in accordance with the party's interest. While the political fallout from Obasa's impeachment continues, it remains clear that the leadership of the party, including President Tinubu, will continue to play a central role in managing the party's dynamics and addressing internal disputes. The decision made during a plenary session was prompted by a motion from Honorable Sani Okanlawon. Lawmakers criticized Suleiman's failure to follow financial regulations, with Honorable Nureni Akinsanya referencing an Auditor General's report dealing significantly and irregularities. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. Hear what some of our own they are saying in the comment section. This one says he should be probed. I suspect he has a deep sinking record that he was ready to hide at the expense of his speaker's duty. You see, that is what is going on in this political arena. He cannot even win local council seat in his hometown, Ogun. He has enjoyed already. Let another person from elsewhere come over and taste the pepper soup. You see, this is what we are saying. You have been playing games with these political arenas. I beg my brothers and sisters. He said, let's go back to his state now and go do all this with Seyi Makinde. Even the picture above looks like Tinubu was saying, Obasa, orí ẹ kò pé ni. Yeah, it doesn't concern you whatsoever. You can never be through somebody who's shown interest in the position. He puts his core around. He rather gives order. Who is that? That is Tinubu. Tinubu is just playing the ostrich. If not by Tinubu consent, nobody can impeach Obasa, period. So, my brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. Hey. Tinubu impeached Obasa, no doubt. He is the brain behind it and the masterminds to his fall. Says another one. If Tinubu couldn't save him, then who impeached him? That's another question. You see, my brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. God bless Lagos State. Thanks and God bless. Amen.